Hello everyone, I'm Tao, and together with Zhao, we'll be showing off our project NUS Clubs. So NUS Clubs is a streamlined CCA portal for NUS students to view and also at the same time perform some actions on all the CCAs within NUS. I will now show off some of the features. So starting off, we will have the basic login and register features as with any other application. So assuming that I already have a user registered by the name of Tao, I can log in, and once I reach the index page, I can see all the CCAs listed based on whoever has created it. So now I'll show off the manage features under a CCA. Assuming that a computing club has already been created, I can go into computing club, and right off the bat, I can see all the basic details of the club. So the person in charge, phone and email. At the same time, assuming that this person is the admin of this CCA, he's able to have access to certain manage features. So once he clicks on the manage button, he can see that he can add an event, view the students of the CCA, as well as edit the details of the CCA. So we will now go into the creating an event feature. So the admin is able to create an event and key in some basic event details. For example, the title, description, the date and the time that is from and to, and as well as adding the choice to add an event poster. So for the purposes of demonstration, I'll use two events that were already created beforehand. Firstly, the EE Freshman Orientation Program, as well as Freshman Orientation Week. So going to the event itself, you can see that the admin has access to admin features of this event. So he's able to edit the event as well as delete the event accordingly. Okay, so now we go back to the CCA page, and we can see that there's also a section called events where all the events created will be listed in a list format. So now I will pass the time over to Zhao, who will be showing off the rest of the features of our app.
Okay, so now we will log into another account to show off some of the non-admin features that we have. Okay, after logging in, you'll be brought to the same CCA index page with the list of all the CCAs. And once you click into a CCA that is not created by the user, you can actually see the same basic information. However, the manage button will not be there. Instead, the register interest button will be there, and users can click on this button to tell the admin of the CCA that they actually want to join the CCA. Next, we'd like to show off the news page, which is a list of all the events created by all CCAs. So in this news page, events are actually listed based on the time that they are created. So clicking into the swimming event can actually we can actually indicate interest to attend the event itself. And this will also be reflected in the admin users view of the event itself. Next, showing off the upcoming page, we can also see all of the events that the users have registered for. In this case, since we have only indicated interest for the swimming event, we can only view the swimming event. But in this page, events are actually listed in chronological order, so from their start date. So the event that will be coming up next will be the event that shows up at the top. Now back to the admin user. We'll first log into the admin user first, and then once we reach the page that the user is admin of, we can actually go click manage and then click view students. This will show us a list of all students that is either interested or already a member of the CCA. Now we can see two interested students that are interested in the CCA. We can either choose to accept or reject the student. First, we'll accept the user Sam. As you can see, Sam is accepted. And once a member is accepted, we can either make a user admin or remove the user as a member of the CCA itself. So now we'll begin by making Sam admin. So once a user is made admin, he will have access to all of the admin features that we have shown off thus far. And now we will demonstrate by making rejecting James' application. After he's rejected, there will also be a message that says that he's successfully rejected and it will be removed from the interested students list. Now we have come to the end of our demonstration. Thank you.